Low-level and high-level languages. Actually, this can be also present as the programming languages. Hence, sometimes this topic can be also say as low-level programming language and high-level programming language. Programming languages are broadly classified into two types. One is low-level languages. Second is high-level languages. Low-level languages. Low-level languages are used to write programs that relate to the specific architecture and hardware of a particular type of computer. They are closer to the native language of the computer, such as binary, making them harder for programmers to understand. Examples of low-level languages are assembly language and machine code. Let us see about the assembly language. So few programmers write programs in low-level assembly language, but it is still used for developing code for specialist hardware such as device drivers. It is easily distinguishable from a high-level language as it contains few recognizable human words by plenty of mnemonic code. Advantages of the assembly languages are can use a special hardware or special machine dependent instructions. Example on the specific chip. Translated programs require less memory. Write code that can be executed faster. Total control over the code. Can work directly on memory location. Coming to the machine code, programmers rarely write in the machine code binary as it is difficult to understand. High-level languages. These are human written languages enabling to programmers to just focus on the problem being solved. No particular knowledge of the hardware is needed as high-level languages create programs that are portable and not tied to a particular computer or a microchip. These programmer-friendly languages are called high-level as they are far removed from the machine code instructions understood by the computer. Examples of high-level languages are C++, Java, Pascal, Python, Visual Basic. Advantages of high-level languages are easier to modify as it uses English-like statements, easier, faster to write code as it uses English-like statements, easier to debug during development due to English-like statements, portable codes not designed to run on just one type of machine. Coming to the differences between high-level language and low-level language. High-level languages are easy to learn and understand, whereas low-level languages are challenging to learn and understand. High-level languages execute slower than low-level languages because it requires a translator program. Low-level languages execute with high speed. High-level languages allow much more abstraction, whereas low-level languages allow little or no abstraction. High-level languages do not provide many facilities at the hardware level, but low-level programs require at the facilities at hardware level. High-level languages for writing programs hardware knowledge is not required, but in low-level languages writing program hardware knowledge is must. High-level programming languages are easy to modify, but low-level languages are difficult. High-level languages are simple statement may execute several instructions, but in low-level programming language, statement can be directly mapped onto the processor instruction. In high-level languages, basic Perl, Pascal, COBOL are the examples, whereas in low-level languages, the machine language and assembly languages are the examples. Coming to the conclusions, computers are the electronic devices that follow the instructions. There are 5 generations of computers. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. Second generation computers work with transistors. Third generation computers work with integrated circuits. Fourth generation computers work with microprocessors. And fifth generation computers beyond artificial intelligence. The organization of computer has many components like input devices, memory devices, output devices, etc. Programming languages are broadly classified into two types, the low-level languages and high-level languages. These are the references used for the presentation. Thank you.